What if the colors in kids' snacks could be impacting their focus? New research reviewed 27 clinical trials and found that 64% showed links between synthetic food dyes and behavioral changes in kids. And about 8% of children might experience worsened ADHD-like symptoms, even at dye levels under FDA's acceptable daily intake. USDA organic certified foods exclude synthetic dyes altogether, serving as a safer, cleaner choice for families. Choose organic because protecting kids means removing unnatural, one colorful product at a time.